In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva Magic Studio. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, create a new design or open an existing one where you want to use Canva's AI tools. Next, click Magic Studio from the Canva editor or select an AI feature such as Magic Write, Magic Edit, Magic Eraser, or Magic Expand, depending on what you want to create or edit. Now, enter your prompt or select the part of your design you want to change. Describe the result you're looking for as clearly as possible, then click the Generate or Apply button. Wait a few moments while Canva processes your request. After that, review the generated result. If it isn't exactly what you wanted, adjust your prompt or settings and generate another version until you're satisfied. Finally, continue editing your design if needed, then click the Share button and select Download to save your finished project to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Canva Magic Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.